size matters. When your zirconia brand limits your disc sizes, you lose time, money, and capacity. Consider the data. Up to 92% of crowns fit a 12mm disc. Blindly milling them out of a 14mm disc means 2mm of useless milling on every single unit, wasting time and causing unnecessary mill wear. Look at the data for a typical month. Your mill runs about 140 hours and produces 250 crowns. By switching to Argen ZGT's 12mm disc, you save over 6 hours. That allows for 16 additional crowns in the exact same period, unlocking $1,600 in hidden revenue from a single mill. To grow, you can either spend thousands more on extra milling machines or simply use the right size disc. The choice is yours. Mill smarter with Argen ZGT.